Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Greenote Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's a 23,000 Pascal stick vacuum, 4-in-1. 200 watt power with dual digital motor, LED headlights, and 35 minutes of runtime. The handheld lightweight vacuum for home, hot floor comfort, for pads, and for car cleaning as well. It comes with an adjustable dual suction vacuum option, equipped with 200 watt high power and 23 kilopascal maximum suction. The GLC50 vacuum cleaner is more efficiently to absorb dust, debris, hair, etc. with 23 kilopascal and 12 kilopascal two cleaning modes available. We can adjust the appropriated suction power autonomously. We have a dual digital motor and a cordless vacuum. The Greenote Cordless Vacuum uses a DC digital motor. The roller floor brush is driven by an independent motor in depth blanket cleaning. With the use of the handle motor, the dual motors drive at the same time. The cleaning effect is stronger and high-performance lithium battery. This vacuum cleaner has 6 built-in 2,200 mAh lithium batteries to provide long-lasting time and power. In the low mode, the battery life is about 35 minutes, and the GLC50 provides 18 minutes of battery life in high-end mode. Fully charged after 4 hours. Complete the cleaning of the large apartment. No prop for this device. And it's a 4-wall flexible combination vacuum. The electric bed brush with V-shaped bristles. Roll floor brush, reducing the hair entanglements. 2-in-1 brush and a long crevice. Cleaning the ceilings, the curtains, the keyboards, and gap deeply. It's a 4-wall flexible combination, sweeping the whole house with only one vacuum. And handheld self-standing design vacuum. This is new at these devices because now it's a must-have to stand alone. The Greenote GLC50 vacuum cleaner has a unique buckle design, which can easily switch between long handle and short brush with a light press. The self-standing design can be placed anywhere after cleaning and will not be messy. With ergonomic handle design, only 1.2 kilograms. This is light and it's really easy to use. Wow, a 4-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. Wow, 23 kPa, 2,200 mAh, 18 up to 35 minutes runtime, and 200 watt power. Greenote focuses on the field of smart home appliances. They design, test, and manufacture the equipment to ensure the reliability and service life of all products. And the GL50 cordless vacuum cleaner, light and extraordinary, clean with only one button. The development of high power and high suction, the use of long battery life, the use of friendly product design combine the aesthetics of life with high performance to create a clean and high value home for us. And brushless motor, upgraded suction. Wow. By Greenote. Green, our home from now on. The GLC50 cordless vacuum cleaner adopts a self-standing handheld design. Use anytime, place anywhere. And the Greenote provides free HEPA filter replacement, or if we want to extend the using period of 18 months, we can link to Greenote. No problem. Greenote invites every customer to share the usage video to Greenote Official Fans Club. That's available on Facebook. Oh yeah. But for me it's enough to show this here because It looks really nice what they developed there. Oh yeah, because there is a dual motor drive, high power, long battery life, increased suction power, adjustable in dual mode, 5-layer filtration system, 99% of dust filtration is possible, and a unique self-standing design, free hands at any time, and an upgraded soft velvet floor brush. These reduce the pet hair entanglements. Then we have an undiminished battery life equipped with 2,200 milliampere hours, a sixth time of them lithium batteries. Oh yeah, this cordless vacuum cleaner has strong suction power and battery life in a strong field, high performance and weakly attended lithium battery. We'll have the freedom of use time from 18 up to 35 minutes. We get the large apartments cleaned as well. And an independent motor drive. That's awesome. The GSC 50 uses a soft velvet floor brush with a brushless motor to penetrate into the gaps in the floor. 200 watt power, suitable for hardwood wood floors, carpet floors, tile floors, marble floors, and other material floors, effectively absorbing the pet hairs, the dust, food debris, etc. And we can clean up without blind spots. The LED light is on when the vacuum is turned on. It can be flexible, rotate between 90 degrees and about 270 degrees with a converted floor brush. The cleaning ability of the dark areas under the bed, table, and narrow places is greatly improved. Let the dust in the dark know where to hide, baby. And it comes with a lightweight handle design. Ergonomic handle design, the vacuum is only 1.2 kilogram, but farewell load bearing cleaning. Women and elderly people can easily pick it up with one hand. Okay, man too. Unique bayonet telescopic tube design can extend from 60 centimeters up to 80. That's easy to deal with high cleaning. Oh yeah. And we have a really low noise technology design. Outstanding noise. Reduce the technology to absorb the noise and block filtrations. The volume of the vacuum cleaner is about 65 decibel when it's working. The GS50, oh yeah, with both high suction and low noise, even if children are resting, they will not be disturbed. And we have a particle-produced design. Portable disassembly, buckle design, free switching, one-click dust removal, no need to touch the dirt, no dirty hands anymore. The filtered compounds can be washed with water and reused with less loss. That's awesome because there is a HEPA filter in it, so you can filter around about 99% of the dust or the little dust away of it. It's suitable for floors and carpets. Then we have a special function. This is a dual digital motor. We have a V-shaped rolling floor brush, and sieving nozzle and bed brush and HEPA filter. We have the dust bin capacity of 0.6 liter. The power cord is cordless and lithium battery. The motor power is 200 watt and the suction power comes from 12 kilopascal to 23. We have to make sure that the battery is into the dust cup and the battery board head into the dust cup slot slightly easily because there is a button under it, and this you have to perform to switch the other, then it's ready. Then we attach the metal tube to the body. Then you can hear a click sound. And then we attach, for example, the brush to another head of the metal tube. And then we press the switch to work. That it is. It's really easy to bring this ready for action. Hey, then we have 2-level speed control. It's low power when we press the switch button the first time. It's high power when we press the speed control button again. Then we go to high power. Low power again when we press the button again a second time. Then we are back in standard mode. So we have one switch button to to switch it on and off, and we have a speed control button on the upper side of the device to control the speed. Then we have a long creeving. That's for long-term areas. Okay. Then we have on 2-in-1 creeveth. This is awesome for keyboards, and we have a bed brush. That is for sofas and for the bed too. We have to charge the battery, of course. When the battery power indicator is blinking, it means the vacuum is charging. Okay, if we have plugged it in, then it will blinking, and it will be cutting off when the battery is full. Then you are ready, okay, to have some fun. We are going to empty the dust cap. Okay, we press the metal tube locker. Then we take out the metal. Then we unlock the dust cap locker, and we can empty the dust cap easily. If this is not enough, we can maintain the filter. Then we have to press the battery locker to unattach the battery from the dust cap itself. Okay, there's one button on the upper side that we have to push, and we slide it out of position. Then we open the dust cap and remove the filter system. We take out the filter case, and then we are ready. Wash the filter case and the HEPA filter. Okay, that's really important. We have to dry the HEPA filter and the filter case completely before reassemble it. After drying for approximately 24 hours, we have to reassemble the filter, and again we have the filter hub back in position. And then we assemble the dust cover into the dust cap. Job's done. Then we reattach everything, and we are back on business, and we can make another cleaning action. Oh yeah. If the device is not cleaning very well, we have to empty the dustbin first. Okay, for a solution. We check the dustbin. Maybe it's not so fixed correctly. We check the filter, and we clean the filter. After this, that should be the solution, and we can clean again. If the device stops or won't working, we have to charge the battery, for example, or we clear the debris from the brush bar. And if the battery will not charge, we have to check the connections, and of course we have to check our wall box. Our wall socket may be damaged, so we have to check this again. It's model name GSC50. The battery is 22.2 voltage with 22,000 milliampere hours. The battery charge output is 26.5 volt, 500 milliampere. The charging period is about 4.5 hours. The vacuum degrees is in low speed 12 kilopascal, in high speed 23 kilopascal. The usage time is from low speed 35 minutes to high speed 18 minutes. The motor power is 200 watt. The airflow is 20 decimeter per second. The dust cap capacity is 0.6 liter, and the net weight is only 1.2 kilogram. That's not so heavy, I think. It's easy to perform with the speed control button, and it has an auto lock system if you pull the trigger. If you pull the trigger, it will be on all the time until you again push the trigger. That's easy, and it's really good because it's smart. It's smart to empty the dust compartment. It's smart to control this device, and it's easy to remove everything, to connect everything again. I think it's a really good device. This is the Greenote Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with 23,000 Pascal suction power. It's a stick vacuum, 4-in-1 appliance, 200 watt power with dual digital motor, LED headlights, and 33 minutes of runtime. It's a handheld lightweight vacuum for home, for hard floors, for carpets, for pads, for cars, and cats too. and other pets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.